Hi, welcome to Techie Dialogue. In this video, we will learn how to make a semicircle in Illustrator using a simple and beginner-friendly method. Step 1. Start by selecting the Ellipse Tool from the toolbar, which is found under the Rectangle tool, or simply press the L key on your keyboard. Click and drag on the artboard, then hold the Shift key to create a perfect circle, and make sure the shape has a fill color so it appears solid. Step 2. Switch to the Direct Selection tool, which is located in the toolbar and can be accessed by pressing the A key. Click on the circle to reveal its anchor points, then select one anchor point, such as the bottom one, and press the Delete key to turn the full circle into a half circle. Step 3. Notice that the path is now open, which can cause issues later, so it is important to close it. Select the Pen tool by pressing P, click on one open anchor point, then click on the other open point to close the shape and create a clean semicircle. Step 4. If the semicircle is not facing the direction you want, select it using the Selection tool by pressing V. Rotate it by dragging a corner handle, and hold the Shift key if you want to rotate it in straight, even angles. Thank you for watching Techie Dialogue, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more helpful Illustrator tutorials.